What's up, creatives, and welcome to this special Christmas show. We have your affirmations set out for you at the end of the show and a rundown of this year's videos of what I've been doing and the progression I made on my YouTube channel and through my art business. So what are we waiting for? Let's roll the intro. What's up, everybody? How is everyone doing? Hope you've had a great week and a good weekend. If you're new to the show, my name is Romeo. I am a life coach and a sketch artist. I draw sketches for people, their portraits and their pets, and I also do art therapy videos on a Wednesday and on this show. Zentangle patterns and mandala drawings I create. Today's show is going to be a little bit of a rundown of this year's videos that I've been creating and a little bit of history on myself and why I started this channel, what I've been doing and the progression I've made for it. So let's start off with my first video that I made. This little video here I created. I have now been on YouTube now just over a year and a half now. This year I've been on there I've been on there just over a year and a half, not as long as most people have been, but I've been slugging out all my videos, putting out all my information, giving out you guys lots of sort of ideas and inspiration. Hopefully you've been given some inspiration there and helping you guys through difficult times. I did a lot of stuff on my videos from when I started up until now. I've been doing a lot of drawing videos. I've been doing affirmations for you guys and some helpful tips to have a positive and motivational day. So that was my first video that I created. I had no idea what I was doing, pretty much like now. I had no idea what I was doing, and I was wanting to put videos out there to help people with mental health issues and to have a bit more positivity and motivation. So I started to create the art therapy videos on my channel. I pretty much started to draw back in 2019. That's when I started to do my drawings, and that's where I've been building up this business from since 2019. So till now, I have been doing lots of more artwork, lots of more drawings, lots of creative ideas, all of that sort of thing. So some of the videos that I'm going to be looking at are some of the ones that I helped you guys on drawing aspects. So we went through the different types of pencils, all your shading techniques. So this little video here is going to be showing you all your shading techniques. And we also had, and I also did like a shapes one as well. So you had all the different types of shapes, how to do the shading in, the right type of pencils to use, this video right here. There is a playlist for all those type of drawings. So if you're really interested in learning how to draw, click that playlist that's at the top there, and that's going to take you through to all of my videos on how to draw. I had a really busy year. I started a lot more new projects as well. So not only was I doing my mandala drawings and my Zentangle drawings as well, but I also learned how to create. I was always a graphic designer because I used to do a lot of photography, but I learned how to do graphic design, t-shirt designs on my Redbubble store. So I was creating that. I started that, I think, in April time. Still learning all the tricks and trades of it. Still carrying on with uploading all my designs. I was learning how to do niche research, how to do keyword research, how to find all trending designs on Redbubble, all of that sort of thing, watching all videos on YouTube, learning how to do all those designs, finding trending designs, learning how to create different types of dimensions for different types of products. So when you're looking on the Redbubble store, you're going to see all different types of products on there, from pillowcases, phone covers, mouse pads, desk mats, t-shirts, leggings, jigsaw puzzles, all of that, shower curtains, all of that sort of thing. And you have to have different types of dimensions for each design. So whenever you're designing anything for Redbubble, keep in mind of the dimensions and the product that you're creating for. So I was doing lots of pattern designs, lots of text designs, and lots of graphic designs as well. Really coming up with some really cool ideas. Loved doing all this. I'm still going to be carrying on this in 2022. Only because I love the creative side to it. I love expressing my creativeness, really exploring, thinking out of the box. And trust me, I'm so far out of that box in thinking wise. It's the square is a dot to me. That is how far I'm outside of that box. So yeah, I started doing that. And then also as well, I learned about producing and publishing my own books, KDP, Amazon. So I started to learn how to create Amazon books, finding keywords on that as well, trending niches, trending ideas, finding keyword research, finding out what it really did open up my eyes on Amazon, on using Amazon as well, and how a lot of the plugins that you can get for it really do help you out in finding books and niches and keywords that people are actually searching for. I mean, it gives you, some of the plugins gives you all the keywords that people are searching for. You can write them all down. You know, I jot them all down. I do all their BSRs, all of that sort of thing, and learn how to format my books, how to do all the margins, how to do the right sizes, book sizes, what type of books people are searching for, the easier the books, the line books, the colouring books, prompts. I created my own mood book. I did the it's not just motivational on Mondays, mood tracker diary. I created that one. I did my Mandala book. There is also a gratitude book in there as well that I've created. I'm going to be doing a lot more prompt books, a lot more books that I'm going to be creating for myself for next year, just so that you guys have something to do because I'm very much into the mental health aspects of it, the art therapy side to it, helping people out, getting through difficult times. Only because myself as well, which is why I do all this sort of stuff, is because I went through mental health issues myself, went through a breakdown myself as well, and it was the art therapy, it was the drawing, the Zentangle patterns that I draw for you guys. It's what helped me get through my difficult times, and what helped me get through and be a little bit more positive and motivation and be more motivated as well. So that is why I provide all of those, why I provide those videos for you guys. Just so that someone out there, I'm going to be helping someone, they come across my videos and it's going to help them as well. Just like how the art therapy helped me too. Which is why I also, towards the end of the year, I did a life coach course as well. So now I'm a qualified life coach as well, helping people out on a one-to-one basis or on a workshop basis too. Next year, I'm going to be doing a lot more workshops, either live, in present, physical ones, or on Zoom as well. I'll be teaming up with a collaborator as well called Kay. Me and her will be doing a lot more. We'll be doing some group sessions, workshop sessions. She's a crystal therapist as well, so she'll be helping out with all the different colours and crystals and things like that that you could be using to be getting yourself through these things. And I'll be doing all the art therapy sessions as well. That's going to be coming up next year. A lot more stuff is going to be involved with that sort of thing, and I'll be talking a lot more about that towards when we start off in the new year. So yes, going back to the videos that I was creating, so we was doing the showing you guys how to draw. I was also doing these type of Zentangle drawings as well. Lots of videos on Zentangles on my channel. Click the link that's at the top there. That's going to take you to a playlist. There's lots of playlists of Zentangle patterns and drawings for you to follow along with, and for you to chill out, relax. Great. Like I've always said, they're great therapeutic videos to draw. So those were my Zentangle drawings, always on my channel that I was drawing. We did a lot of creative stuff as well. I love you guys getting involved with all the creative stuff that I do, all the arts and crafts and things. You've got to get down there, getting all messy with the glue and glitter and things like that. Get the kids involved. I'm always encouraging people to get involved with their kids. Kids love doing this sort of thing. And if you're sitting at home bored, not knowing what to do, and you're just going to chuck them in front of Netflix and watch a film, which is great if you want to do that. Nice family time together. But also as well, put the TV away. Get out the crafts, arts and crafts. Kids love getting involved with that. And it's great for you to get involved and have that bond with your children as well. Getting involved with all that sort of thing. It's a great way of getting involved with all your children, getting involved with your kids, and having a nice little family time together. There was lots of creative things I did. We did Easter stuff, so as you can see there. We did Easter creations. We did. I also did like a boomerang as well for you to do with your kids. Great little boomerang thing for them to do. And we did loads of other creative stuff leading up to this year's Christmas decoration stuff that I was creating as well. All of that sort of stuff we was doing. And also a lot of the stuff that I was doing on my videos. I was giving you guys lots of helpful tips like this one here on a productive way to start the day. I was doing lots of risk stuff as well. How to push yourself forward. Forgetting about all the namesayers, all of that sort of thing. Thinking ahead. Thinking of your future self. Putting that future self of yours in perspective, thinking what you want to do, what you want to achieve, focusing on that goal. We did a lot of videos on that as well. Those are the videos that are linked in the description, and also they're provided with that link that's at the top there too. So this year, yeah, I was busy time doing lots of stuff. I pretty much now work 7 days a week, which is not helpful. It's not not helpful. It's not healthy to do that sort of thing. I do have a bit of time to myself. I usually provide like about an hour or so just to chill out, meditate, calm myself down a little bit, relax, get my thoughts all together. I pretty much work 9 till 10 every day. 9 o'clock from Monday to Thursday. I work from home doing all my videos, all my art stuff, drawings, mandala drawings, coming up with ideas, all of that sort of thing. And then from the evening, I'll be doing all my graphic designs, my book designs, book research, all of that sort of thing. That will probably leads me up till about 10 o'clock, that does. And then on a Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I'm a hairdresser, so I'm working in the salon all of those days, and then in the evenings I'll come home and I'll start doing more bits and pieces, more any other things that I want to be drawing, or any other ideas that I've sort of come up with. Next year I will probably be doing, I'll probably try and make myself have a bit of time off, maybe have a little bit of a chill out time, maybe even take a holiday, you never know, I might just do that, depending on what the lockdown, and well, depending on what the quarantine situation is, and if we are in quarantine or not, and what the virus is all doing with us, and how we'll coping with it, and whether or not we are allowed to be doing anything. So that's all to be said for next year. And so, yeah, which now leads us up to the present time. I'm still going to be I've been putting out videos non-stop for the year every week. I've been putting out a video since last year, every week, since I think last year Christmas, when I broke up for Christmas last year. Since January up until December, every week without fail, I've been putting out 2 videos. One on my show and one a mandala drawing, Tuesday and Wednesday on my upload days. And then probably in between as well, I might do a time-lapse video or a YouTube short, anything like that. It's been absolutely brilliant. I've absolutely loved making these videos. I absolutely love providing these videos for you guys, hoping to build this channel up even more, make it even bigger and stronger next year as well, getting a lot more subscribers, getting a lot more feedback on my videos, a lot more communication going on in the comment sections below. I want to get you guys involved a lot more. I want to get involved with you guys a lot more as well, helping you guys out wherever you may be finding it difficult, whether it is through drawing, whether it is through any type of drawing that you're doing, you're finding hard, difficult with sketching, anything like that, and also with yourself as well. If you find that you're coming a bit unstuck with a few things, you're not finding yourself being able to focus, or you're suffering from sort of mild depression, anxiety, anything like that, you can hit me up on my email. You can contact me on Instagram, on Facebook, on my emails, Romeo at romeosketches.co.uk. Hit me up with any of the messages, what you're going through. We can have a one-to-one session through Zoom, or we can sort of meet up, that sort of thing. And I'm here to help you guys out as much as I can. That's what I want to be doing, and that's what I'm going to be doing a lot more of next year. Next year's show is going to be a lot more drawings. We're going to be doing a lot more creative stuff. I'm going to be probably doing a lot more videos out of the studio. I want to be getting involved with a lot more galleries. I want to be doing more interviews with a lot more creative people, which is what I wanted to be doing this year, but I got involved with so much other stuff. So next year is going to be a great new year for us. We're going to be bringing it back a lot more bigger and bolder. We're going to be doing a lot more stuff on my show. We're going to be doing more big drawings like this one as well, like I did with the mandala drawing behind me here. Doing a lot more wall pieces. More other things I'm going to be doing as well. I'm going to be slowly starting to move. I'm going to be doing a lot more creative stuff. Maybe I will be getting at the acrylic paints as well. So I'm going to be doing some abstract painting next year as well. I'm going to be doing a lot more acrylic stuff, acrylic pouring. Going to be getting you guys involved with some acrylic drawings, paintings, all of that sort of thing as well. That's coming up next year. So we got a big bumper year coming up next year. We have, and it's been absolute pleasure to have been creating these videos for you guys. I'd like to thank you all, to everyone that subscribed to my channel, that watches my videos, that if you get something out of it as well, it's absolute pleasure. If you've got something out of any of my videos, I've helped you progress, focus, anything like that, helped you through your drawings, it's been an absolute pleasure to be helping you guys out. I'm going to be doing a lot more helping out with you guys. I'm here to be helping out. Here to provide you guys, here to provide you with that service. Thank you all again for watching, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, click that bell, and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. This is my last show of the year. I'll be back next year, 2020. There will be more Mandala videos coming out on Wednesdays. You just won't see me on a Tuesday until next year. Have an amazing Christmas, everybody. Have a great new year. All the best. Stay positive, stay motivated, keep your focus going, have that vision, stay positive, stay motivated, and every one of you has something special to give. Each one of you is beautiful in the way you guys are, how you present yourself. You guys are absolutely amazing. Keep on remembering that, and you guys are going to go far. Thank you all for watching, everybody. Peace out. Set out for you at the end of the show, and also a rundown of this year's videos of what I've been doing and the progression I made of this year's videos that I've been creating, and a little bit of a history on myself, and a little bit of history on myself and why I. What's up, creatives, and welcome to another Romeo show. What's up, creatives, and welcome to the... Oh. What's up, creatives, and welcome to the...